Hi, I'm Eduardo from Cooking Point in Madrid, Spain. Today I'd like to show you how to make salmorejo, which is a cold soup from the south of Spain, which is ideal for this summer. Salmorejo is like gazpacho in terms of the ingredients and the way we make it, but the difference is that we use less ingredients and the ratios vary. As a matter of fact, we will only use tomato, bread, oil and garlic. Alright, so we will use this to chop and blend all the ingredients with a hand blender. So we will start with the bread. Well, you could use any type of bread, but in Spain it's quite common to use wheat bread with clove crumbs like this. The trick is also that we only want the inside, the white part, so we have to remove the crust. So for that I will use this. In the case of the tomatoes, the most used in Spain are these kind of aroma tomatoes, which are very fresh in the summer. So we will just chop them in no specific way, maybe like this. And then for the garlic, we'll use one clove, and in case they have this inside is kind of green, you can remove it because it said that it repeats. If not, like this one, this is fine. You just chop them roughly, chop it roughly, and this is it. So before we blend it, it's also nice to mash the bread with the tomatoes, so the bread starts getting soaked with the tomato juice. For the blender, maximum speed and, well, a few minutes probably. Alright, so we have blended here, so you see it's very smoothly, but it's going to be even smoother when we add the oil. We will add it slowly while we blend it again, but we have to add salt. So I will add like a generous pinch. We'll taste it later, so we need to see more, we need more. Okay, so we'll take this away. And now I'm going to use the blender, and the oil has to be added slowly, while you blend. Okay? Alright, so now it's time to taste it. So you see that it's changed the color, to make more orangey. This is because the oil emulsifies it and air it somehow and make it a lighter color. Nice, very nice. I could add a bit more salt, but that really depends on your taste. So for the moment I will leave it like this, and which is important is to chill it, because remember, this is a cold soup. So what I'm doing now, I'm putting it in the refrigerator just to chill it, and meanwhile we will chop the ham and boiled egg just to garnish it later on before we serve it. Alright, so this has been chilling for hours now, so I'm going to now present it in different ways depending on the occasions. You know, as I said, the gazpacho is from the south of Spain, from Córdoba particularly. So in there they used to have it as a starter, you know, in these hot days for lunch. They have it like this in big bowls, but it's also very common to find it in tapa, like this in these ramekins, or even as a dressing for grilled or fried vegetables. Particularly, there is one that is kind of famous, that is eggplants, fried eggplants with salmorejo, which are very famous all over Spain. So, for a tapa, maybe like this, or if it is for finger food, you could prepare it like this, not much more. If you like this video, don't forget to follow us on social media and check out our website for more recipes and posts about the Spanish food.